Welcome to a new consumer goods review. Today I will be unboxing 10,000 euros. Now let's start with the packaging design. It comes in this nice and thick plastic wrap. You know, simple design. No need to be anything fancy, just put the plastic wrap around it and you see it's really thick, really durable, really tight design. I like that. Now let's open this and see what we have inside. You see how thick this is? It's struggling to open this. Okay, here we go. Unboxing 10,000 euros. It comes with 10 individual stacks of 1,000 euros. So in total, 10,000 euros. And here we go. So it has this wrap around the money. It has some information. Portugal, Eurosystem Portugal. So this money was maybe printed in Portugal because the EU headquarters is in Brussels, Portugal. So that makes sense. Let's see. So you take the money out and boom, there we have it. 10,000 euros. Ooh. I thought everything would be like same way, but actually like some of them are upside down. So maybe they made the small mistake at the bank when they stack them together. It would be nice if everything would be like the same way, but they're not. So that's minus points for that, in my opinion. Let's see the barcode here. So 723. Yeah, they're not even in order, so I don't know what they did at the bank. They should be at the order and the right way, so maybe it's just this one stack. Let's see the other stacks. This one, Portugal again. And what? 2021? How come it's so old? Like it's almost like expired product. I don't like that at all. It's minus point for that. I expected to get like fresh batch like 2023, but it's only 2021. Let's see these other ones. Yeah, this is not good. 2021 again, like I don't know what they're doing at the bank, but yeah, you see? Oh my god, everything is like upside down. There's no order. There should be order in here. But yeah, look, this money is even like, it has some problems here. I have to check if this is fake or not. I think this is some fake money. Let's see. Let's see if this is even real money. Okay. Seems to be real. 1,000 euro here. So I was wrong, but they really need to put better work on the display of the money. So yeah, that was the 10,000 euro unboxing. I'm really a bit disappointed that we didn't get any rares, you know, the holos or something like that. But yeah, I'm fine with it. It's still 10,000 euros, good money, and yeah, I think I will give this like 7 out of 10 because it's an old batch, it's not fresh, the monies are not in order, as you can see. It's all mixed up, not good. But yeah, 7 out of 10 for 10,000 euros. And yeah, make sure to like the video, comment and subscribe. And tune in next time when I will be opening 5,000 euro pack. Now this one already looks better. You can see they're all in order. Look, so this is much better batch in my opinion already. But yeah, tune in next time for 5,000 euros. 10,000 euros, not good, but let's hope this 5,000 is better. Thanks for watching.
If you know how much you got, you ain't got much.